Heading to college is an exciting adventure. While schools everywhere may look and feel a bit different than how they've been traditionally, or family finances may be up in the air, it's still important to explore your options. Make a plan to pay for college so you're ready when school begins, said Brittany Mills, assistant manager of education lending at Navy Federal Credit Union. That means knowing what's available through scholarships and grants, work-study programs, federal student loans, and private student loans. Getting your finances in order. Funded by the federal government, federal student loans only have fixed rates and may come with different benefits than loans through private sources, such as income-driven repayment plans. You'll first need to complete the free application for Federal Student Aid, FAFSA, which is